Very good morning to all students. This is Indu Minhas, your English teacher this side. I hope all of you are doing well in practice of your grammar exercises. So moving on, today we will do editing in omission. Okay, we will practice of passages in which in each line there is an omission. There is a missing word. A word has been omitted or missed in each line of the passage. We have to find out that missing word and write it in the given space, in the given blank. Okay, so you can see in this editing passage you will make 3 blanks. Okay, in the first blank you will write down the word that comes before the missing word, and then the missing word, and then the word that comes after that missing word. Okay, in this way we write down only for our clarification. Okay, for clarification of the checker also, for the students also, so that it can be make sure that to where missing word is to be introduced. Okay, so along with the missing word we have to write down the word before and the word after also. Okay, so we start doing this passage of editing. Allah Rakha popularized the art tabla, playing across globe. Okay, so in the first line, can you find any missing word? Allah Rakha popularized the art tabla. Okay, I hope many of you have found out. Here it should be the art of tabla. Okay, it should be art of tabla. So we will write down the missing word of here. Okay, so of we have to introduce here. Okay, so we have to write down the word before missing word, that is art, and we have to write down the word after missing word, that is tabla. Okay, so these 3 blanks we will fill like this. Our missing word was here. Okay, so coming to next line, Allah Rakha popularized the art of tabla, playing across globe. It should be playing across the globe. The globe. So our answer becomes the is the missing word, and the word before is across, and the word after is globe. Okay, across the globe. Elevating the respect of instrument. Okay, he bridged the gap between. Elevating the respect of the instrument. The word before of, missing word the, and the word after instrument. Okay, the or his, we can also write down his, of his instrument. Okay, which instrument? Tabla. Okay, so he bridged the gap between Carnatic and Hindustani music. Carnatic means classical music of South India. He bridged the gap between Carnatic and Hindustani music by playing both. Okay, so the missing word is by playing with both renowned stalwarts. Stalwarts. Which stalwarts? Carnatic as well as Hindustani, 2 great music fields. Okay, stalwart means something very great, something very bold. Okay, so this is the answer let of your editing in omission. Okay. So coming to next exercise, joint family system on the verge of breakup. Okay. Have you found out any missing word? Joint family system on the, here it should be joint family system is missing here, is on the verge of breakup. Okay, so word before is system, missing word is, and the word after is on. Okay, on the verge of breakup, people like live in nuclear family. People like live, no, people like to live. People like to live. Okay, word after, missing word, sorry, word before, missing word, and then word after. Okay, people like to live in nuclear family. Okay, there is no full stop. They think it gives them freedom. People like to live in nuclear family as they think it gives them freedom. Family word before, as missing word, and they word after. Okay, as they think it gives them freedom, as they think that it gives them freedom. Think that missing word, then it, as they think it gives them freedom. So joint families boon for the children. So what is the missing word? Where lies missing word? Here. So joint families are boon for the children. Families are boon. Families are boon. So missing word is are. Okay, students. So today we have done these two exercises of omission, and I will give you one exercise for homework also, and you will write down all three exercises in your English notebook. Okay, students. Thank you so much.